We are in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, and we are working on a project that's been in progress for about 4 years now with the engineer, working with the county, the town, and the Army Corps to ensure that we rehab approximately 39 different structures, culverts along the levee. So we have a major river alongside the town here in Williamsport. We're trying to prevent water from coming back inside and flooding the town. So it has flap gates on the downstream end. We have an outlet control structure just behind us here that all has a valve system on it, so they can kind of control the water levels on both sides of the levee. We have a lot of corrugated metal pipe that's probably 1950s, 1960s vintage. The inverts are all gone in them, so corrosion and abrasion. So we're slip lining those with solid wall HDPE Snap-Tite. We have a excellent Manning's coefficient, which is just a fancy term for friction factor. The pipe being smooth inside helps pass a lot more flow, especially as the culvert fills up. So when things start to fill, that friction factor of 0.009 compared to the corrugated metal is exponentially better. If you have to dig into the levee, which the Army Corps is never a proponent of, but if you had to remove the levee, then you have a potential hazard of the river coming into the town and flooding things. So yeah, there's probably zero chance of them digging this levee up. As we continue to go along, I think it's going to be a really good thing for everyone to see, and different diameters, different shapes. We'll see how things go.